Hey bosses, in this video, we're going to show you how to use text pages. So you can go to your booking pages, click the pages button. You'll see I already have here set up a privacy policy. Let's take a quick look at what this page looks like. And you see you're able to customize the text pages with your own custom banner and of course a title, some text. And I'll show you soon you can even add a video and photos. But for now, let's go out and I want to show you, if you go to products and services or an appointment, edit, what I did over here was I made the privacy policy one of our custom fields. So I called it a privacy policy, made it a checkbox. I made it required. And I wrote, by checking this box, I'm agreeing to the privacy policy. And I made this a link to the privacy policy. So to show you how that works, we'll just go to the page, make a booking, and you'll see here, privacy policy, you have to check it. And you have the link right here to the actual privacy policy. But let's go to create a new type of text page. We'll go back. Let's say you want to create a thank you page. So the name area, this is just for your own use. The title will be whatever you want. That's what your customers will see. And you put some content. Make sure you click save. And you'll see we have the two URLs, the light version and the full version. Let's go to profile details. We're not going to have a title or a sidebar information here. Want to try to keep the page clean. Let's go to cover media, and here's where you could create a upload a banner or a gallery or video. So let's put in a video. When we got your video here, let's click save. Let's take a quick look what it looks like. Here, thank you for your business. A little thank you video. Now this could be your own video where you video yourself thanking your customer, making it a much more personal experience. Thank you so much for your business. I greatly appreciate it, as you saw I put in. But let's say you want to create a custom photo here. Let's say you want to put a thank you banner over there. Just click confirm. Make sure global is not clicked. Click save. And there is a little bug here, but I'll get it fixed in time for you guys to do the video. But then this will be the banner over there. Hold on. Let's do it again. Confirm. Save. Preview. Nope, didn't work again. Oh, I have the global settings. There you go. Thank you. And that's how you use text pages.